So my name is Nate St. John. I'm currently the product director for planning, scheduling, and risk management at InEight. So it's my job to be the visionary and strategic architect of InEight's schedule. Um, I also serve as one of our BPOs on our ISE teams, and I frequently do thought leadership pieces and contributions to the industry in various marketing capacities as well. I started right out of high school. Um, some last minute changes in athletics, led me to kind of an unknown place. And so I picked up a job working for a hardscape company, laying bricks and planting trees. And then from there, I got a job for several years as a general laborer working on a site grading crew. I mean, I guess as I progressed through field work, I became more and more exposed to kind of all the roles that it requires to make a construction project successful. And I think some of those roles fit really well with how my mind works. And so, I decided to head back to school and study architecture and construction management. After I went back to school, I spent 4 years as a construction manager for a large owner in the state of Michigan. And so I got that perspective, and general contractors are often the most popular when you talk to people in the field. Oh, I work for a GC or I'm a subcontractor. Owners are there, but I feel like, and I could be wrong, but most of the time when you talk to people, it's people that are getting into a contract to direct build or manage work. Um, so I got to see kind of both parts of the table, owner and contractor. I think that's helped out immensely. Somehow over the years, I've gravitated towards this unique domain in project control, scheduling, risk management. And so I think my time spent at a large contractor engineering firm doing all things that and acting as an internal advisor to some of the most complex projects on the globe um, has benefited my role currently at InEight greatly. Yeah, it's certainly challenges. I mean, I think there's an argument to say that building software is at times more challenging than construction. I think what drives me personally is, the very real opportunity to advance the betterment of this domain. Um, and through that process, I get a really unique opportunity to share my knowledge with people and contribute to thought leadership in our industry. In hopes of fixing what's broken and making a difference. Yeah, I mean, I think there's a certain frontier taking place now today in terms of digital transformation and adoption in construction. And in my mind, that's an opportunity. I fell into this niche because somebody asked me and I said yes. And all of my mentors in the past said, whatever you do, when you're given an opportunity, say yes and run straight at it. So I think that's exciting in and of itself, being on the kind of this technology frontier globally. In terms of what advice I would give, I would tell students or anyone for that matter, folks that are interested in getting into this industry, don't place it in a subjective box. I think there's so many roles that contribute to a project, from field execution, project management, marketing, PR, HR, graphic design, etc. I think you'd be hard pressed to not find something that fits a particular personality. So to consider a career in construction, you're telling people, you're telling yourself, and searching for challenging, problem solving, and highly rewarding roles, knowing that there's a very good chance that you're affecting humanity in a positive way.